Hey, welcome back to the Jeff Adams Show. I am Jeff Adams, obviously, but today I am taking a tour. I'm going to show you a roundabout of Blue Jay Recording Studios here in Mount Dora, Florida. This place is unreal. You're going to want to stay tuned. I'm going to give you a full tour of this place. And if you're a musician, a content creator in general, you have to see this place. It's unbelievable. Stay tuned. Okay, I am in Blue Jay Studios in Mount Dora, Florida, and I am in the lobby right now. You're not going to believe this place. This is unreal. So in the lobby, check out some of this stuff in here. We got records on the wall. Unbelievable. All right, so I'm going to slowly, I just got the tour, so I'm going to go back. We'll go upstairs first. That's where all the recording studio is at. So we'll walk up these stairs. We're just cool vibes all the way. I mean, I've been in a lot of recording studios in my days, but man, this is ridiculous. I may not be able to get in. Hang on a minute. Oh, it's open. So you come through here. All right. And obviously there's a restroom. This is upstairs. But this is one room where Andy's working in here. Working on stuff. Look at this room. Got this room right here. Cool vibes. Tracking. I'd wish for him over any well because he gives me proof. He's making content. Look at Andy go. I love this room.
I like what you're holding there, man. This is a 88 input Neve Genesis console, all analog, hybrid to Pro Tools. So you can do Pro Tools mixing in the box or out of the box. Full range of world-class audio gear. Over here we have a full mastering rack. This is real Pultec 2 EQs, and once you're done with your mixing, you can put it through the mastering rack and master it. So it's a mastering facility as well.
You made records back in the day. There was a vibe. It wasn't, I'm not disrespecting home studios and stuff. I understand like cost. You don't need this anymore. But if you look at this place, it's just a vibe. Sitting in a studio and making a record from start to finish, working with your engineer, your producer. Your producer will be sitting on the couch. You're in here late night making great art. There's nothing like it in the whole wide world. This is why I'm in love with this place. Call me old-fashioned, but man, incredible. They got a 2-inch reel-to-reel. Absolutely amazing. There's one tracking room right here. Drums, obviously. Tons of gear. Like anything you can imagine. They've got mics. They have another live room here. And just look at this. Spared no expense with this place. Then you have the guitar pedals. Got another vocal tracking in here. And obviously you have all the mics. The master tapes. We're coming here too. This is a guitar tracking room. And I'll show you in a minute, but these are all the heads to all the amps that they have. So all the amps are downstairs. Everything's wired. So whatever, if you're a guitar player, you come in here, whatever amp you want to use, you plug in. The mics are downstairs with the amps. Like, this is unbelievable, but I'll show you that in a minute. That's downstairs. So let's walk out here. I mean, this is a musician's dream here. So out here, you have exit. They have a lift to load in the bands, like right here. Elevator. You come in. You had to the city made him get this lift of all the people that was coming through. You come down here, you got load in. Let's see. Load in here. Come through here. I think this is the way in. So we got a pool. And then over here, it's obviously a wall. Okay. Trying to remember my way around. I only got the tour one time. Then we come downstairs. And we got another room. Little tech room. Another train. This is another room. This is going to be like a room, rehearsal room where they can rehearse. And little staging. They can put some lights in here for social media or a band you want to rehearse in this room. All the amps. As well as back in the day. Have a bar, video games, consoles. Then they have another room. Guitar cases. Whole nother room not being utilized. I'm trying to find that room with the guitar heads. But this is just a fraction of this place. I can get lost here. This is crazy. Hey, excuse me. Where's the room with the guitar heads in?
It's upstairs.
It's upstairs. I missed it.
Yeah.
Man, I thought it was downstairs.
Take a left. Look to your left and you'll see it.
Okay. We'll go in this room too. Another room, offices, bathrooms. All right, so let me go back upstairs. I'll show you the...
Edwards.
Yep. Yeah. So he moved from this area.
We call it easy.
Okay, he was here for a bit. So he's played a couple of times at the jam that was at Imagine
I think it's here.
with he brought in one of his friends.
Maybe it was.
Yeah, when they were on
Kenny?
no, it was with a trumpet player. I think Bill something.
This place is like literally unbelievable. So come back out. I'm gonna go back upstairs. I think I misunderstood it. The amps are downstairs, but I don't want to interrupt the conversation. That was the owner. And that was David Oliver Willis from back in the American Idol days. But going up the stairs, going back through. But this place is phenomenal. It's just unbelievable. Right here in Mount Dora, Florida. Incredible. So back through. So mistaken wise, I showed you where all the guitar heads were. The amps are downstairs, and I have no idea. Like I said, I don't want to interrupt it, but just take a look at this place. It's unbelievable. So maybe the amps are right below here. I think what the owner was talking about, literally downstairs, all the amps, all the heads are in here, obviously, but unbelievable. Love it. Hey, so if you're looking for a place to record your next record, maybe you should come here. Really good vibes. I really like this place a lot. It's really good. It's not good, it's just great. But man, who would have think? I mean, I've been going to Nashville and Los Angeles a lot. Been in a lot of studios. But this is just like unbelievable. Just there's a lot of thought that went into this place. You know, from an engineering standpoint, you got to respect it. Like these floors, you can lift these floors down here on these panels, and everything's professionally wired underneath these boards here. So if you got to run new wires, you're able to do that, and you're free of clutter of running things to amps, pianos, cabling, the whole nine. Everything's thought of here. Just real thought out, you know? It's great. Man, oh, live. Like this, when you're creative, and especially in the music space, this is the kind of place you want to be. It just brings something out of you. Like, you want to be around this stuff because this is how you create music. So Very cool spot. Very cool. What you thinking, Andy?
What's up, man? Blue Jay Studios, Mount Dora, Florida.
He's learning that. Andy's like fresh on the job here.
Fresh on the job. I'm going to master this, though, in like 2 days.
2 days.
I got 48 hours.
Bro, I want you to get on this thing, bro. I'm so fascinated by this 2-inch reel, man. That's like the warmth on reel-to-reels, tape machines. It's unbelievable. You go back to some of the classic records, especially with rock records. Just there's something about the analog feel of a record. Digital is great. I love digital. At the end of the day, man, analog. There's just something about it. Let me go back here. They're coming up now as I'm going back downstairs.
You didn't fart.
Willis, I didn't fart. Why would I fart? He doesn't want to be on camera.
Oh,
There's so many cool art, RCA dog records. Just so cool, man. Loving this. I'm trying to remember though. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it or not, but at the end of the day, there is a room with the guitar amps. I promise you. It's just a smaller room. I just can't remember where it's at. Maybe it's here. Maybe it is here. No, it's not. But it's somewhere around here. But isn't it cool? Like you can literally use this space right here. It's kind of cluttered with a lot of different amps. But clearing this space out, you want to do band rehearsals or you want to shoot some content like a live stage, bring like a small audience in here. You could set this up and do some really cool things. You could probably the size of the room, you could probably put like maybe 50 people in here, 60 people in here. Be tight, but for that feel and look. Video game machines. This is awesome. So cool. Right here in Mount Dora, Florida. I love it. So cool. Check them out. I'll put the address down below if you're interested in this place. And the cool thing about Mount Dora, Florida, Mount Dora, Florida, where's that? You can actually get on the toll roads. You can be, if you're in Orlando, Central Florida, you can be here probably, coming from Orlando, probably be here in 25 minutes. But if you're looking to record, this is definitely got some good vibes. That'd be worth the drive. All right. See you guys soon. Peace out.
What the hell? When Jeff is buying